on the cup. You know that girl you be with? Man, you tell her. Talk. Yeah, trickle to a road boy. You hear that? Yeah, trickle to a road boy. No gimmicks not there in the game. I wonder what feed the leader said this morning and CMR with the dye here. Eh? Wanna say feed the leader and CMR with the dye here? All of you vendetta jockstrap sniffers. What not going with right now? Because I hear DJ Khaled, you know, I say, you know, right now, you know, them never believe in us, you know. But I sure Skilly did. Yes. He sure did. That's what I say, nation people. Make we step no man. Concrete way of the world, it's not a plan. Watch what go on nation people, man. Yo, a franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. Oh no what go already, you know. When we come for represent, full effecting man. Oh no what go. When we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, no man. Are the people's champion. Oh yeah, me. Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. It can't get no better than this. Wonder how them jockstrap sniffer feel. First, I ask them, you know, what about, you know, DJ Khaled, you know, and alkaline, you know, if he's not good for business, you know. I look up and tell me, no, to be specific, Gaza uncle tell me, yo, DJ Khaled uncle follow him, you know, for them personal page, you know, but not we the best, you know. I say, what you say to me, uncle? Then if we the best now follow him, them no in no business with him, my brother. Because we the best is a business channel. You know what I mean? And that me I say, now give me excuses not that about it. Only for here. The big man Khaled come out himself. I say, they didn't believe in us. But I'm sure Skilly did. Yes. He sure did. Yo, me say, it's supposed to pull these jockstrap sniffers heart out. You know what I mean? Because for all the years now, where alkaline are run with Movado and him signed to We the Best all along, and DJ Khaled don't even look over there because no excitement now create over there. Yeah, so me I say it's like a silence. It's like a silence for them screw on. Yeah, so me I say as Skilly drop now the state and do so and make two move, boom bang. Yeah, so me I say video line up instantly with French Montana and 5 yo. Instantly everybody are run on board. No gimmicks not dead about it, nation people. No real way we represent. We not represent no lollipop way. We never either tell them. You know what I mean? And the first show, the first concert him do, him show you say, well then him marketable and him can hold a crowd. Everybody are run on Gaza Nation. Right now, Right now, the man them even put up the pre-order for the remix. How you doing, man?
Yeah, busy, man.
Yeah, busy.
Busy, man.
Whistling, you know what I mean? Yeah, multitask. Alright. Good, good, good. Yeah. No lollipop thing in a Hit Nation, people. No joke shit not dead about it. You see what I say? Right now, you know, the remix, you know, out for pre-order, you know. Skilly French Montana 5 year, you know. No joke shit not dead about it, you know. Things shell way, you know. Hotter than where LA, you know. Another billboard hit 100 again, you know. You know, for ask, you know. And plus DJ Khaled a theme album where you see a line up, you know. Another one, another far brother Skilly. Another far brother. You know what I mean? Quick whip walk, instantly, ASAP. No lollipop thing that they about it. Quick and fast, fast and quick. You see what I say? That's how Skilly a move, my brother. You know what I mean? The youth full of work ethic. You see what I say? And the producer and the rap artists, them like it. You see what I say? Oh, you mean Skilly? We never either tell these jockstrap sniffers and them never want to hear. Wonder where them are going to say now. Wonder if them have something for talk. Say, you know what I mean? And that we want to know. We're not going to say now jockstrap sniffers. Eh? The one they supposed to know, it to know where it hurts. Eh? Can't believe it out of the blues when they never hear nothing. And the man will say, another one. They didn't believe in us. But I sure Skilly did. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, sir. He sure did. Bumbleclot, you know. Let me see how you deal with that. Since you don't like fight and think you can use your mouth for bully down artist career. Let me see how you deal with that jockstrap sniffers. Let me see how you contain something like that. Because you can't stop Skilly, you know. And you're supposed to see it right now, you know. Because you no lollipop thing, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah. You know, run out of luck right about now. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it. I just the way how you run on your mouth, feel like say you not attack say you is a main factor in a dance hall and feel like you can use your mouth to bring down artists. You can't. You see it now? You can't. No joke shit not dead about it. Right about now, you know, where Skilly are going with, a long time we are look for alkaline going with that. And it's simple right about now. We not really follow you to say well then our thing have to go around and think say for we want hurt artists' feelings for be a factor. We are not no bitch about it. We are chat the truth. And the truth is right now. It look like him never marketable for business. That's why DJ Khaled never use him. And that are just the living truth. There ain't no way. You know what I mean? Businessman say chances where him can double and triple up money and him turn him away from that. Businessman not do them shit then. And so businessman capitalize. You see me? Turning $1 into $1 million. You see what I say? And him never see no way that could have happened with alkaline. But as Mr. Drop na the place. What? Quick and fast. Fast and quick. Quick whip walk. Another far brother. Oh you mean? We the best. You know what I mean? No joke shit not dead about it. A tech will come for take over this. No joke shit. No wait till it's popular now. Because you must feel like a joke shit. I take the man and take over the place. Wait till it's popular now. You see what I say? Yeah, and everywhere the man go, the man makes certain they know and say, yo, big up the bumbleclot teacher himself. You know what I mean? Because that's going to be the grand finale right about now, nation people. And when the world boss drop a road. Can you believe the type of catastrophe we are going to go on? Eh? A loud explosion. Now give me this thing there in my game, you know. You know I'm represent already. So all these jockstrap sniffers who the dead run up them mouth. I know want to shame right about now. I know you don't have nothing to say. You know what I mean? I know you need a like for tell Khaled, say no Khaled, but you don't have no control over it because Skilly are the man who are boss right and hard, you know, loud and mash burn. No joke shit not dead about it. You know what I mean? You know, artists never either sparked. That's why I never try no business. But him see a youth with a boss loud. You see what I say, and the world are here. So him have to get peace right. So guess what go on? Him have to dep and we the best album. And that's no joke, no gimmicks thing not dead about it. I don't know Skilly dropping personal album. You know what I mean? With crazy features on it. No joke shit not dead about it. People no run go pre-order the remix with Skillibeng Frenchman Tana 5 year. No joke shit not dead there. No bumbo clad. Just remember summer jam coming around and a 5 year close the show. So that is a type of different catastrophe too. You see what I say? As another loud explosion that. What? Trickle to a road boy. Trickle to a road boy. Wanna say no feed the dealer. CMR with a die here, wanna say. What? What? What?